Today, I am sharing 5 gadgets that make my life easier, cheaper, and faster for my family. I use these gadgets regularly and they save me hundreds of dollars and hours every single month. Stick around because the last one actually saves me money while I am sleeping. Item number 1 and 2 are a combo, so we're going to be talking about making coffee. If you're hitting that coffee shop every day, you're spending $4 to $6 per cup of coffee. That's $150 a month. Instead, I use a coffee grinder and a simple brewer like AeroPress, French press, or pour over. Here's the thing, to get a truly delicious cup of coffee, you need to grind your beans fresh. I highly recommend a Brewer grinder. It gives the most consistent grind, which makes a better tasting cup of coffee. By the way, I've linked all the items I'm talking about today in the description below, so you can check them out if you are interested. I personally grind my beans fresh every single day right before I brew, then I make my coffee in an AeroPress, a French press, or a pour over. This whole process takes me 3 to 5 minutes, which is much shorter than driving to the nearest coffee shop, which also means I save money on gas. And here is the best part. Brewing my coffee at home costs about 50 cents to $1 per cup of coffee. That works out to about $30 a month. Comparing that to the coffee shop at $150 a month, you are saving over $1,000 a year. Yes, there is an initial cost to get the equipment, but the savings quickly pay for itself. Plus, you get the time-saving benefit of not having to stop at the coffee shop every single day. Next up is gadget number 3, the electric kettle. This thing boils water in under 3 minutes, which is so much faster than the stove, which can take 7 to 10 minutes. That's a huge time saver. But what I love most about having an electric kettle is that it pairs perfectly with making coffee or tea at home. You can select the perfect temperature for your specific drink, and the kettle will beep when it has reached the desired temperature. This is actually really important because using the correct temperature creates the best tasting drink. These kettles are also more energy efficient, so you're saving on your utility bill as well. It might not be a big money saver, but the convenience of setting the temperature is what I love most, and it helps me create that perfect cup of coffee every single time. Gadget number 4 is the Instant Pot. This thing is a game changer. Instead of ordering takeout, I can cook a full family meal in 30 minutes. With a lot of the recipes, I can throw everything into the pot, turn it on, and just wait for it to cook. I can go hang out with my family while everything's cooking, and I don't need to be constantly checking or stirring things at the stove. It is a great way to save both time and money. And the 5th and final gadget that saves me money is a smart thermostat. This thing learns your schedule and adjusts automatically, saving 10 to 15% on heating and cooling costs. That's about $150 a year for most families. If I'm going to be gone for a few days, I don't have to remember to change my thermostat, it just auto adjusts for me. This saves me time and headspace. And here is something really cool. A lot of your local utility companies have partnered with these thermostat companies to eliminate energy waste. They will often offer rebates or even free smart thermostats if you make the switch. So check with your local utility company and see if you can start saving money without spending anything on a new thermostat. So there you have it, 5 gadgets that save me money and time. While there is an upfront cost for these gadgets, they will pay for themselves really quickly if you use them on a regular basis. If you're looking for more money-saving gadgets, let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.